welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please give it a thumbs up, like, and click on the subscription button, the subscribe button there. Click on it, and there is also a bell, a notification bell. Please click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. All right, then go to my comments, the comment section, and drop a comment for me. I want to get your feedback. Now I'll be looking at how to draft that pocket. This particular pocket is for kid. Okay, for kid, what we need to do is to fold this into two. Okay, fold pattern paper into two. Okay, so the length of our paper we're using here is a little bit above 4 1/4. Okay, and also this is 3 3/4. The width is 3 3/4, and so you fold into two. As you can see, we'll measure 1 inch from the open side of our pattern paper, and then we drop a slopey curve there. We'll draw a slopey curve. All right, but this curve is not that smooth as I want it. I want it to be a little bit curvy, and I draw it by recurving it. Okay, it's your taste, the one you want. Okay, just give it the way you want it, and that's what we call styles. Okay, you might not do exactly as you've seen in the picture, but you can do something similar. All right, that makes you a fashion designer. That makes your work unique. All right, and so what we need to do is to cut off the other part. Okay, cut off the other part. All right, keep this pattern paper. We'll make use of this pattern paper later in this video. So what you just need to do is keep it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And then these are the piece of fabric we'll be sewing together to get our pocket. Don't forget there are 3 different colors in our sample pocket, and so we'll make use of these 3, and the 3 are not of the same size. 3 are not of the same size, but 2 of the smaller part of the pocket are of the same size. Okay, what you need to do is to use 1/2 inch. You stitch 1/2 inch, and then you turn. You use your pressing iron to press it. Okay, you can open it and press it as well. All right, then after doing that, the bigger part of your fabric, place it on top of the 2 you have sewn, and sew with 1/2 inch. Okay, please, 1/2 inch allowance. And don't forget, after sewing, you turn. You can see I've used iron to press the seam. Okay, the seam, the 1/2 seam I use iron to press it properly. It will give you a nice look. All you just need to do is you fold. Then the upper part of your pocket fabric, what you need to do is you sew 1/2 inch, and then we fold 1 inch. Sorry, you fold 1/2 inch and you refold 1 inch. That's what we did there. Okay, so what you will do is you place your pattern. You know, I said you should keep your pattern. This is the right time to put your pattern. You put your pattern on top, and make sure the middle of your pattern aligns with the middle of this pocket fabric that we have there. You can see the middle is where I joined the 2 fabric together. That's the 2 smaller fabric. Okay, and so what you need to do is the middle part of your pattern paper must be in alignment with the center of the pocket fabric. And so what you need to do is just fold, let the paper be inside, and then you fold to cover the paper. Okay, 1/2 inch folding to cover the pocket pattern paper, and you iron as the shape of the pocket. And so the pattern pocket, okay, or the pocket pattern is there to guide you so that the shape you want can be actualized. And so you fold. As you fold, you iron. As you fold, you follow each. The paper will help you to give you the pattern you want. And then please, I will encourage you to use a steam iron. All right, steam iron to give you a perfect. You can see I've used iron to iron my pocket. You can see, look at the other side. Look at how beautiful and nice it is. Okay, yours can be far better than this. Okay, far better than this. Please give my video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in our next video.